You're still on the BB Naija 2020 lockdown house. Erica reveals that she can never kiss Laycon with a clear mind.
I don't like people lying against me. Or if he's not lying, he should tell me the times I tried to kiss him. Because Laycon is not the kind of guy I'm not attracted. I like the way he thinks. I like his mind. I think he's really smart. I like.
Big Brother Naija housemate Erica has expressed disgust that Laycon said she tried to kiss him. Recall, Laycon during Sunday live eviction show said that Erica tried to kiss him severally while she was drunk. Laycon and Erica clashed over the issue as BB Naija official host Ebuka Obi-Uchendu squeezed Laycon about his claims. After Ebuka's interrogation, Erica immediately confronted Laycon about his remarks, but he blatantly ignored her. However, speaking on Monday with Kidwaya, Erica said she cannot look at Laycon in a clear state of mind and want to kiss him. She said, I wouldn't look at Laycon and want to kiss him. I can never kiss him with my clear mind. So guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.